Hey NEET aspirant and future doctors, welcome to our YouTube channel. NEET Guidance, the internet is full of bro science, fake news, half knowledge and wrong information of a propaganda. If you want a reliable, authentic, updated information about the NEET UG courses, MBBS, PDS, PVLC, Ayush and NEET counseling process and admission guidance, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and you never have to go anywhere else again. BHMS round wise, category wise last cutoff 2022. BHMS AACCC first round cutoff 2022 were given. In that, for All India quota government, for general category All India rank was 1,14,107 and marks were 463. For EWS category All India rank was 1,34,930 and marks were 441. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,20,368 and marks were 456. For SC category, All India rank was 2,22,113 and marks were 365. For ST category, All India rank was 3,53,623 and marks were 282. In All India quota added, for general category, All India rank was 1,15,241 and marks were 462. For EWS category, All India rank was 1,26,489 and marks were 450. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,22,776 and marks were 454. For SC category, All India rank was 2,29,583 and marks were 359. For ST category, All India rank was 3,34,002 and marks were 293. In Central University Kolkata quota, for general category, All India rank was 65,191 and marks were 525. For EWS category, All India rank was 90,749 and marks were 491. For OBC category, All India rank was 82,585 and marks were 502. For SC category, All India rank was 2,217 and marks were 382. For ST category, All India rank was 3,03,566 and marks were 311. In Central University Shillong, for general category, All India rank was 87,997 and marks were 495. For EWS category, All India rank was 96,220 and marks were 484. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,08,035 and marks were 470. For SC category, All India rank was 2,05,758 and marks were 377. For ST category, All India rank was 2,62,588 and marks were 336. BHMS AACCC second round cutoff 2022 were given. In that, All India quota government for general category, All India rank was 1,22,120 and marks were 454. For EWS category, All India rank was 1,28,043 and marks were 448. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,29,559 and marks were 447. For SC category, All India rank was 2,33,770 and marks were 356. For ST category, All India rank was 4,21,806 and marks were 249. In All India quota added, for general category, All India rank was 1,17,962 and marks were 459. For EWS category, All India rank was 1,28,067 and marks were 448. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,29,846 and marks were 446. For SC category, All India rank was 2,33,296 and marks were 357. For ST category, All India rank was 4,14,648 and marks were 252. BHMS AACCC mop-up round cutoff 2022 were given. In that, for All India quota government, for general category All India rank was 1,53,028 and marks were 423. For EWS category, All India rank was 1,73,213 and marks were 405. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,56,502 and marks were 420. For SC category, All India rank was 2,60,991 and marks were 337. For ST category, All India rank was 5,71,810 and marks were 190. In All India quota added for general category, All India rank was 1,54,490 and marks were 422. For EWS category, All India rank was 1,62,941 and marks were 414. For OBC category, All India rank was 1,58,012 and marks were 418. For SC category, All India rank was 2,62,947 and marks were 336. For ST category, All India rank was 5,04,277 and marks were 214. BHMS AACCC special mop-up round cutoff 2022 were given. In that, for All India quota government, for general category, All India rank was 1,90,249 and marks were 390. For EWS category, All India rank was 2,17,985 and marks were 368. For OBC category, All India rank was 2,09,232 and marks were 375. For SC category, All India rank was 3,55,752 and marks were 251. For ST category, All India rank was 10,09,412 and marks were 98. In All India quota for general category, All India rank was 2,02,920 and marks were 380. For EWS category, All India rank was 2,29,467 and marks were 359. For OBC category, All India rank was 2,10,725 and marks were 374. For SC category, All India rank was 3,57,677 and marks were 280. For ST category, All India rank was 8,84,973 and marks were 116. BHMS AACCC stay vacancy round cutoff 2022 were given. In that, for All India quota government for general category, All India rank was 2,54,809 and marks were 341. For EWS category, All India rank was 2,86,464 and marks were 321. For OBC category, All India rank was 2,76,946 and marks were 327. For SC category, All India rank was 3,12,632 and marks were 211. For ST category, All India rank was 4,67,665 and marks were 229. In All India quota added, for general category, All India rank was 2,58,919 and marks were 339. For EWS category, All India rank was 3,03,209 and marks were 311. For OBC category, All India rank was 2,90,073 and marks were 319. For ST category, All India rank was 8,62,785 and marks were 120. Jain and Muslim minority quota BHMS cutoff 2022 were given below. Muslim minority BHMS cutoff 2022 were given below. Deemed University BHMS cutoff 2022 were given below. If you appreciate this video and wish to view further videos, press the subscribe button, like, share and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications. Thank you for watching.